kids! Welcome back! This is Katie and she needs help with her garage. Would you like to see her garage? Me and have a look at her garage. It's all empty. Aww. And she needs help to find some cars, some new cars, classic cars. So for that, where are we about to go? Guess where are we going? Kids, do you have any idea where do you buy cars? From the garage. So there's a famous garage nearby. It's called Gary the Garage. Let's go to the Gary's garage. Yay! Let's help Kitty. Here we are. Ooh, before going inside, there's the boss. Seems he's quite in a mood. He looks quite moody. So kids, help us, yeah? Let's go in. Hello. I am Katie. I'm here to buy some cars. Can I have a look at your garage, please? Oh, I was sleeping. I was relaxing on my chair. Sorry, what did you say? I didn't hear what you said. Well, I'm Katie and I'm here to buy some cars. So, do you have any classy cars here? Oh, yes, I have many cars. Come and have a look. As you can see, I have many cars, motorbikes and buses. What are you interested in, Katie? Well, to be honest, I need some classic cars, fancy classic cars for my garage. Okay, have a look. Which one do you like? They all are really nice and colourful. They're bright. And your buses are quite interesting. They're really colourful. How about the buses? Oh no, you can't buy the buses. I'm sorry about that. They're only for government use. They're not local buses.
1 minute later.
So I don't think so. You'll want to buy them. All right. What about the motorbike? Oh no, that's a police motorbike. I'm afraid they're not for you. Look for something else, yeah?
A few moments later.
Okay. Oh yeah, how about this yellow, blue and red car? Alright, thank you, Gary. Do you have any means to transport these cars? Oh yes, there's a big train. It carries little cars from one place to another. It will be right on time. It's really time. It's time for it to be here. Oh, here it is. Chip, train. Stop. Okay, I'll load the cards for you. All right, Gary, thank you. Load the yellow one. Blue one. Sippy. Here's the red one. Vroom, 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 vroom. Happy to go. There we are, going home. Stop. Here we are. The red one's off. There you go. Here's the blue one. Wow, it's becoming nicer, isn't it? Here goes the orange one. Oh, that was fast. Here comes the white one. Oops. Hop in. Oh, you're a slow coach. I'm afraid we'll be needing some more cars, Katie. Your garage is still a little empty, isn't it? Oh, yes. I would love to have some more. Can you help me, please? Oh, yes, sure, why not? Here we are, off we go to Katie's garage. It is a bit long way. Keep steady, cars. I'm heading you to a new home. There we are. Stop, stop, stop. Zoom. Come on, cars. Let's take you to a new home. Ooh. There we are. Ooh. Yeah. We have filled up the garage, Kitty. Let's have a look. How many cars have you got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in this one. And 2 in this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Katie's got 9 cars in her garage. Katie, you've got a really big garage so that it can fit in 9 cars. Ooh. You are something, aren't you? Are you happy? Yeah! Okay guys, see you next time.
Bye bye.